Welcome to Huaya Company. Laiwu Huaya Polymer Science and Technology Company Limited is a production enterprise that specializes in the research, design, and manufacturing of plastic machinery. We are a professional technical supplier of high-end blown film machines and water-saving irrigation pipe equipment, constantly at the forefront of equipment manufacturing and product development. Our factory is located in Laiwu District, Jinan City, Shandong Province, close to Laiwu East Expressway Junction. Our main products are as follows: blown film machines such as greenhouse film machines, packaging film machines, geomembrane film machines, pipe machine like drip irrigation pipe equipment, UHMWPE pipe equipment, HDPE, PP, PVC pipe equipment. Our company has obtained ISO 9001 International Quality System Certification, CE certification, and holds 10 national technology patents. We not only provide high-performance plastic extruders machine, but also offer technical support, such as material formulation and production process improvement. We also provide comprehensive services including overseas training and installation guidance. We have professional engineer support, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantage. As a result, our products have been exported to many countries and regions worldwide, such as Asia, like India, Vietnam, Malaysia, South Korea, Africa, like South Africa, Botswana, Algeria, Tunisia, etc., the Middle East, like Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Latin America, like Brazil, Mexico, among others. We look forward to your visit and cooperation.